Okay, what I'm aiming to figure out today out here on the Rubicon Trail, or just at least the easier part of it, coming from Tahoe up to Miller Lake, is this front wheel. It seems to be it's making some sounds that I haven't heard before. And so put my head inside and looked. It all comes out okay. Rivian has said it's okay. They're looking into it because it's still throwing a periodic suspension error, which I'll show a little bit later. And now it's just to get some sound, to get some video of what happens when it's off-road, because it doesn't really happen on-road.
Knowingly off-brand. Anyway, our thanks this week go to Audrey Ross, Chris Rogers and Michael Wax.
And thank you.
During off-roading, there were no warning signs or errors. However, when driving home on a windy mountain road, when I would make a right turn, I would get this warning: service suspension system soon. And occasionally it would disappear very quickly. Sometimes it would leave the suspension icon on there for a little bit longer, but in all cases it would clear itself after a few seconds or some cases maybe minutes. So this is a little different than earlier when it was showing the error when I was turning left. Now it's only when I'm turning right, as if I'm putting more pressure on the front right suspension. So the current status right now is that after this first occurred, I brought it down to the Sacramento Rivian Service Center. They took a look at it. They do not have any off-road courses where they can test it out and see, replicate the problem. And the problem does not occur, except for the suspension warning, on regular roads, and certainly not straight roads. So one theory was that it might be the traction control system, the ABS reservoir or something is up front, I think is what they told me. But hopefully this new footage is going to help Rivian figure it out. We do have a ticket open, so they're taking a look at it. I absolutely love the Rivian service model. The people have been great that I've been working with. Henry's been taking care of me on this particular issue, so I will send him this video and see if that helps him diagnose what might be the root cause of the sound. If you have different theories of what it might be, certainly would love to see your comments or thoughts, and maybe we can crowdsource a solution to what might be going on with the R1T. I will say that I have had so much fun off-roading. This makes me a little bit nervous to go on, trips that where I don't have the ability to easily get out of where I'm going. So I do want to get this resolved, but I've got a bunch of new trips planned and can't wait to get this 100% to a great place where I'm on the road again. If you'd like to get an update on how this gets resolved, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notify button. I promise to give you some updates. The good news is the R1T got me past Miller Lake, and that section where the Rubicon Trail intersects with the Pacific Coast and Tahoe Rim Trail was a great place where I could park and go for a great hike. Beautiful, beautiful day out on the trail, and the R1T lives up to its name as an adventure vehicle and got me there and safely back. I saw 4 R1Ts on my way there and back, which I thought was amazing, and including this one pulling a trailer, and another one with a family and lots of mountain bikes on back. So lots of people getting great use out of the R1T. I love seeing that.